How to generate images using Instagram Meta AIs. Hello guys, in this quick tutorial video, I will tell you how you guys can do that. So for that, we will simply open Instagram app, a mobile phone. So simply click on Instagram app. Once we click here, you guys, it's button on top right corner chat option. Once we click here, you guys, we simply search for Meta AI. I simply search for Meta AI. Now here you guys can see on top Meta AI, simply click on that. Once we click here, you guys will see messages. So for example, I want to generate image, so here I will give my prompt like generate image of dog dancing on Mars. Dancing on Mars. So let you bet after some seconds, once we give that prompt, it will start image generating. Here we go, our image was ready. For downloading that image, you guys will simply click on that image, and after that, you guys will see on top right corner download option. You simply click on that, and there's see our image will be downloaded immediately. That's how you guys can do that. Thanks for watching.